Hi, I'm Kristin Pelletier, founder of KP Consulting. I've spent the last 20 years in dentistry and know that one of the biggest challenges for every practice is keeping their patients active in the practice. One of the best ways to keep patients active is to exceed patient expectations. This is a topic that I talk with my clients about all the time. There was a time several years ago when a lot of private practices were successful despite the fact that they provided what we would now consider an average patient experience. Fast forward to today, and an average patient experience won't keep your patients active. I hear a lot of practices say, dentistry has really changed, and while that statement is true, there is something that you can do about it. Today, you need to be more to your patients than just a name on their insurance list. You need to develop a deeper connection by providing exceptional care and exceeding their expectations at each and every visit. Once you create that relationship-based practice, you have patients in your practice because of you and not your status with their insurance company. So how can you up-level the patient experience in your practice? There are some really simple ways to do this, starting with looking at every appointment from the patient's experience rather than the logistics of your day. Every person on your team should always be thinking, what can I do to make this the best experience possible? Everyone on your team plays a role in creating the patient experience, starting with the very first phone call. How you answer the phone matters. How you greet your patients matters. I always tell my clients that they should stand up to greet their patients. After all, if someone was walking into your home, wouldn't you stand up to greet them? Another simple change is to have discussions with your patients eye to eye and knee to knee, rather than talking behind them or while you have your hands in their mouth. You want to create an impression so that when your patients leave your office and they're walking to their car, they're thinking, wow, that was a really good visit. I really love my dental office. If you're already doing some of these things, then you can step up your patient experience even more. I've been blown away by some of the ideas my clients have come up with over the last year. Here are a few of my favorites. One of my practices used to suggest that the patient stop for a milkshake after a long surgical procedure. Now they actually make the milkshake and serve it to the patient before they leave the office. Another practice offers a hot towel after treatment so the patient can freshen up. Many practices are now offering blankets during long procedures or providing headphones and a selection of music to enhance relaxation. While these are all wow ideas, you don't have to do a milkshake or a hot towel. Just giving your patients your undivided attention and creating a deeper connection will make them feel special. And there is a great side benefit to making the patient experience a priority. It will not only help keep your patients active in your practice, but it will also create raving fans that become advocates for your practice.